Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Poco X3 from Xiaomi that is in need of a new battery. As you can see there, it's bloated. See there, the back cover has been lifted up quite a bit. It's not a dramatic bloating of the battery, but it's still equally dangerous because if you don't address this issue, it's gonna get worse and it's gonna push against this back cover and create tension behind the display. It can ruin the display, it can ruin some internal components if you are not careful. We will remove the back cover since it's already got gaps on the sides because of the bloated battery. It's easier for us to put our pry tool in and spray some alcohol so to soften the adhesive around the frame. We will slowly lift this up. I think the back cover is plastic, so it's quite flexible. More alcohol, slice through the adhesive, more alcohol, and it took us quite some time to remove this. It's from the factory, so this smartphone has not been opened before, so quite strong adhesive. Good job, Xiaomi. So you can see the battery is quite pronounced. We're going to cut through the remaining adhesive. There you go. See there, it's ready to go. We'll remove the cover for the main board so we can release the connector for the battery. We have to be very careful not to puncture this battery because it will definitely cause fire or even explode on us. So if you have a problem with your battery, this is a good example of having a bloated battery, then consider going to a service technician or a service center near you who can detach the battery or even replace it. Also need someone who will dispose of the battery once it is out of the smartphone. So there you go. The battery is now ready to be popped out. We'll use this pry tool and use the pull tab to slowly remove it. It's quite satisfying to remove this one. It's also going to relieve pressure on the display and the entire smartphone if we use a flat battery like this one. So you can see the difference. The flat one really just enough for the space that is provided for the battery. It's quite amazing how you can just directly replace it without any issues, and we'll test the charging. Look at that. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. That means the charger is detecting the new battery and already filling it up. David likes it. So we'll continue with our reassembly. No need for us to replace the display, so it's a relatively easy repair. If you have the proper tools and the enthusiasm, you can definitely try this one. The Poco X3 is quite inexpensive for you to practice on if you want to be a repair technician like David. And of course, if you want to do this on a more professional capacity later on, and this can be a good starting point before going to high-end iPhones or Galaxy S series. It's just a matter of putting back together what we've removed, make sure all the screws are accounted for, and we'll turn this on now. So the battery will be properly disposed of, and we'll just clean up the smartphone, the display. No issues with the display. It's gonna look flatter now without any pressure from the inside. I'm gonna turn this on, and it's now running solely from the new battery, and that is a good sign. Look at that, the original battery. Yep, it's gonna be a safer smartphone to use now. So if you have a bloated battery and you're suspecting that your smartphone has a bloated battery, definitely seek help, seek professional advice, and if you can, replace the battery, or maybe use a different smartphone in the meantime while it's being fixed, or maybe it's time for you to upgrade to a new phone. Who knows? Only you can tell. For older smartphones with bloated battery, you can just replace the battery, of course, and continue using your smartphone. And just like this one, it's good, it's charging. So like and subscribe, guys, if you want these kinds of content. Definitely give us a follow us on Instagram and Facebook, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you will see more repair videos like this one. These are real repairs that we do for clients, and it's an honest repair. If you go to a shop, this is an exact quality that you can get from David. So we'll see you again next time, guys. Thanks for joining. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.